Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford EcoSport fuel gauge malfunction issue and outlines situations where the fuel level reading on the dashboard may appear inaccurate, fluctuate unexpectedly, or fail to reflect actual fuel quantity. Fuel gauge behavior in the EcoSport can vary depending on model year, fuel system design, mileage, and electrical system condition, and the issue may not affect every vehicle. In documented technical information covering multiple EcoSport model years, fuel gauge irregularities can occur when the fuel level sensing system does not relay consistent data to the instrument cluster. This can result in readings that stay fixed, drop suddenly, or display incorrect fuel levels despite normal driving conditions. Potential contributing factors that are commonly associated with this issue include fuel level sensor performance limitations, electrical signal inconsistencies between the fuel tank and dashboard, wiring or connector degradation over time, or instrument cluster interpretation behavior. In some cases, calibration differences or software-related behavior in the gauge display may influence how fuel levels are shown, depending on the model year and system configuration. These factors are not universal and may present differently across EcoSport variants. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Possible solutions generally involve inspecting the fuel level sensing components, checking electrical connections related to the fuel system, and verifying instrument cluster operation. These steps are intended as general guidance and do not guarantee resolution for every EcoSport. In summary, a fuel gauge malfunction in the Ford EcoSport can stem from sensing, electrical, or display-related factors, and accurate diagnosis depends on the specific vehicle configuration and service history. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.